Hi guys, and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be making for you some air fried baiganee, and I'm using my Aobosi toaster oven / air fryer oven to make this. So first let's get started with the baiganee. We'll need to make the paste to go over the baigan. So to some soaked split peas, I'm going in with my aromatics, some hot peppers, garlic, pimento peppers, onion, and some culantro or bandania. Next, we want to cover this and pulse it until it turns into a thin paste. Make sure to pulse it really well, you don't want it to be too chunky. Once it's finished, pour it out into a big bowl. Now it's time to add some more flavorings to this. So I'm going in with some turmeric powder, or as we call it, saffron powder. Some all-purpose seasoning goes in next, and some salt to taste. Mix well, and you'd want to give your filling a little taste to make sure that the salt is where it needs to be. Now this oven is a 24-quart oven, and it comes with this basket, a mesh basket, a kitchen tongs. It has the attachment to the rotisserie chicken. We also have a wire rack, and we have a tray which you can make an 8-inch pizza on. That is the rotisserie shaft that I just showed you. At the bottom, we have the crumb tray. So those are all of the parts. So let's return the crumb tray and let's prepare our baiganee. So I'm going to salt the baigan on both sides. I'm going to start with this side first. I'm going to let it sit, and as the water comes up, I'll pat that dry. Then I'll flip it over on the other side and repeat. You want to salt it to draw out any moisture that's in the baigan or eggplant. Once that's finished, then we can go ahead and paste that beautiful split pea filling on each side. You don't want to put a thick layer, you just want to put a thin layer, make sure covering all of the exposed baigan. Once you've covered both sides, set it in your tray and continue to cover the rest of the baigan. Now if you wanted to spritz some oil on this, you can, but today I'm not going to. This goes into my oven. Now to turn on, you press the power button, and using your time temperature knob, you scroll to the time you want and the temperature. You can also use the function button, which has 10 presets, but today I'm not using the function button. I'm actually only using the temperature time button. We have 2 fan speeds on this, so I'll be using both fan speeds. Now let's place our baiganee into our oven. This is a very large oven and can hold a lot of items. Close and allow it to cook. We also have that light that allows you to see inside, so you'll see the color that it's getting, a beautiful brown color. When it's finished, you want to take it out, and that's it. Our baiganee is ready. Please make sure and check both sides to see that it has a beautiful color. If you need to flip it and cook the other side, please feel free to do that. So all we have to do now is go ahead and enjoy this. I must say that this air fried baiganee was so healthy, so delicious, and it was properly cooked all the way through. I'm serving this with some tamarind sauce. Feel free to serve it with mango or whatever sauce you like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you all enjoyed me showing you how easy this air fryer is to use. If you are interested in the air fryer, I will leave all of the information to purchase down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you try the recipe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!